Hi guys, Minerva here, coming with a project share, and I've been working on these glass blocks. I wanted to try these because I saw several videos on people decorating these for Christmas using the adhesive vinyl, and I wanted to make two, one for a gift and one for myself. So I tried this foil vinyl, which is really not easy to work with. The machine doesn't cut it too well, and when it does, it cut through my the backing paper. But I managed to save this one. I liked it because originally I was going to make these for Valentine's Day. I really like this. It's got roses here, hearts, an envelope with a heart. It's really nice. No matter how hard I tried, it puckered up here. And I put some glue, but it won't stay down. So I'm just going to leave it as is, and don't know yet what I'm going to put inside, but I'm going to keep this one because, you know, it's not perfect. Although nothing has to be perfect, but it's not the way I wanted it to come out. So here's the hole. I made a hole down here. Oh, these blocks are not the ones that they sell for decorating, which have the opening up here. So you have to drill the hole. And I ran all over the place looking for a diamond hole bit. I couldn't find one. So we finally found one in one Home Depot we hadn't checked out yet. So finally got that bit. I did order some from Amazon though, the set, for less than what we paid for this bit. I'm getting a set of 10, all sizes. So anyway, I'm going to move you to the other block. This one was using the adhesive foil vinyl. And let me cover the lens so you don't get dizzy. So here's the other one. This one, I watched a video, Patio, I hope I'm saying that correctly. Patio, she does a lot of decoupage. So I decided to use a napkin. I went through my napkin stash and I found this one, which really, I think the recipient will like, because he likes stained glass and kind of Moroccan style decor. So I hope he doesn't watch my videos. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So at first what I did was, let me get this paper here. So I saw her making one, and she used as a layer, because it would be too thin, too transparent to use a napkin by itself. So she used a mulberry paper, all I could find in my stash with this paper, which is very close to mulberry. So I put it upside down, because it has these golden dots on it. So anyway, that's the first layer. And then I applied the napkin, and following her, her instructions, the way she made hers, she added some, let's see, she took some decoupage glue, or you can use gloss medium, and she added some very fine, but she added some medium that already had iridescent in it. She did use kind of a glue or something that was already iridescent. I didn't have that, so I added some Nuvo Glimmer which is Glimmer Paste and Moonstone. Yeah, Moonstone. I mixed some of this with decoupage. I went over the napkin when it was dry. Then I went over it with some gloss varnish, and I sprinkled some pure sheen glitter. It's very fine glitter. It's from Nuvo also. Very shiny. So I got some, let me see if you can see it this way, the glimmer. It's hard to see. It does glimmer a lot. There you got a little look of it. So that's that. I filed the edges. I applied another coat of varnish to seal it. I don't remember if I got to use this medium. This regular gel medium. I have it out here, so maybe I did apply a coat of that. The thing is to seal very well the edges. And I did apply some findings, like the corners here. And the center here, I used E6000 for that. So it does glitter a lot, I like it. Oh, and at night, it does have the hole in the back, so you can put some of those mini lights in there. And that's how it looks when you shine the light through it. It will. I'm using a little flashlight. But the light will shine through it. So I did paint the sides. I used this beautiful blue that I could find that would, you know, kind of go with the napkin. Excuse me. And then I found this trim. It's got sequins on it. It's very nice and shiny. What I'm still debating is whether I'm going to put flowers here, because it's for a guy, so I don't know if I'm going to put a flower arrangement up here. I'm going to check what I have. I don't know. I'm not sure. So that's how it looks. That's what I've been working on. I'm really happy with this one. It's really pretty. I love the way it shines and it glitters. Look at that. See it? So that's it, guys. If you haven't tried working with these blocks, I mean the one I got this idea from, I can't remember her name. The one that made the holes. She said that one of these blocks cost about $15 or so, or $16, and if you get 50% off, you'll still be paying $7 and something. If you want the ones that are, you know, for decoration, that have the hole up here, the opening. But you can get these blocks for $2 or $3 at Home Depot. I think mine was about $3. And then if you can find a bit, you just, you know, drill a hole here. You make a little well with some, I used some Carpenter's Putty, because that's what I had. You put water in there, like a little well, and then you slowly drill the hole. It doesn't take long to drill it. So that's how I made this block. And the other one, well, I'm going to paint the sides also, and I'm going to put, I'm going to put something in it, but I also want to try maybe I can still do it, like put some glue inside this side only, and then shake out the excess and put some glitter, but I should have done that first. But it doesn't matter, because I wanted to try putting some light copper glitter behind this, so we'll see how it goes. I can also fill it up with something that's glittery. So I'll have to decide on that. So guys, See you in my next video. I don't show you around because I have a super mess, which is, oh well, what the hell. See, when I'm in a crafting mood, I tend to just keep on going. I don't want to waste time organizing. So once, I did organize a little bit. But there's my Cricut Maker, one of my printers, and there's another printer, and there's one of my desktops with all the glues and all kinds of stuff. Here's my desk, stuff that I use for this project. And here's my toner printer that I use for foiling. My little oven over there. I haven't used it for a while. Haven't played with any polymer clay lately. And there's my brother. I've been having issues, and I read it happens when you try to feed the mat. It kind of goes sideways, so once I can feed it in, I tend to just leave it there, don't take it out, so that I don't waste too much time trying to feed it in correctly. Here's some fabric I used for Christmas. I made some pillows and I applied adhesive vinyl to it, and all this is stuff that I just threw to the side so that I can bring my brother, to use my brother. There's my, I'm forgetting stuff. What's this little thingy called? I can't remember. Those are sewing machines. This is, yeah, another sewing machine. A sewing machine and a serger. That's the thing you use to embroider. And I need to see this because I can't believe the Gemini. That's what it's called. I keep forgetting that. I haven't used it in a while. So that's it. Oh, here's a little 3-rack thingy with laces and fabric. Some stuff there, some pearls and things. And here's the trim that I used for the block. Got this in a fabric store, local fabric store. So guys, now it's goodbye. There's another rack. My creative station, and this box here, this is where I put everything that has to do with Frank Garcia or Prima is in this box here. So bye guys. I'm not excusing the mess because this is not a, whatchamacallit, this is a working craft room, and like I said, when I want to craft and I'm in a, crafting mode and I want to get lots of things done, I don't want to waste time arranging, though, that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. Bye.